What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ryan Better Taste TV. And make sure you subscribe and hit that like button.
Okay. What's your name?
Tyrese.
Yes.
What's your name?
Brianna.
And I'm Keisha. What's your name?
And I'm Ryan.
Okay. Today we have cornbread.
Yes.
Some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
What's that?
Some chili wings.
Yes, James.
And some
And
crab.
some lobster.
Water.
You understand?
He can't
Oh, there's two.
On the plate?
Yes.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
You're welcome, baby.
Daddy.
Your daddy wants.
Thank you.
And yourself.
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
And
This is all the lobster is.
Yes, this
And this
is
is how the
us
macaroni
water.
is.
Look good.
so daddy got to say a prayer.
Chicken.
You want to say a prayer? You want to say a prayer, Tyrese?
Yes.
Bree.
Me.
Okay, say a prayer, Bree.
Bread.
Say a prayer, Tyrese.
God is good. God is good. Thank you for Amen.
Thank you for the
Okay.
food we eat.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay.
Okay, let's ready to eat now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want chili wings?
I want crab.
You want crab? Get her crab.
You want lobster?
Lettuce.
No, I want crab.
Cornbread.
You want lobster?
You want
Lobster.
cornbread, Bree?
Yes.
You want lobster, baby?
I'm doing
Oh, I want some lobster.
All right.
I want the lobster.
Now you want cornbread?
Just one.
Yeah.
Now, give me a minute.
Sorry.
Bree, you say you want lobster.
I got one
This is
right,
oil.
Mom. Mom, I got one. I
Okay.
got
Give daddy
one.
one.
So, guys,
Wait.
I want to show you the
Daddy, take out
cornbread,
the
and
lobster
this
for
is
you,
how
okay?
it is.
Who made the cornbread?
Good.
My mommy.
Mommy make the best what?
The best
You want mac and cheese?
cornbread.
Mm-hmm.
You want mac and cheese, Bree?
Mom, can I? Daddy, can I have some lobster?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You get. And guys, I can hear my TV a little bit,
But it's fine.
I got his TV a bit.
so I'm going to show you my
You want
plate,
lobster?
guys.
I said my
I'm going to
picture.
show
You
you
need
my
lobster?
plate.
Yeah, but I want to eat.
Here it is.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
All right, baby.
There
Let's see
you
your
go.
food.
Thank you.
Let's see your lobster.
Okay.
Give
My
me a piece of
wings?
the- Piece of the
Okay. This one?
What's this smell?
Thank you.
You pinched me.
Is it? I just
Yes,
rubbed
it
it back.
is.
Okay.
Let me show you.
So we're just doing a local
I eat
preview. This the wing. Look at it. Nice
And juicy.
and juicy. That's my sauce on it. My sweet chili
It's
sauce.
juicy.
It's juicy,
This
Bree?
is sweet chili wing.
Try it. You want to try wings? You want to try the wings?
Yeah,
Yes.
look at the
But
mac
how do I
and
open
cheese.
it? Oh.
Just eat the right here.
Not much.
Daddy opened it already. Just eat the meat right here. Right here.
How you? Oh.
Just grab the meat out.
Oh, with your hands?
You can do it with your hands.
Or with the
Move that.
fork? This looks so good.
Kind of clear the
It look
front.
good? Okay.
All right, that's all tight.
You're coming out, lobster.
You coming out?
So, all right, I'll cut care back here. Some more.
All right.
You all right, baby? All
Oh, you got it?
right, more you go higher.
Yes.
Hey, Daddy. My
Okay.
food.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy make you go in. All
Take that bite.
Yeah.
right, feel better?
Let mommy know how it tastes.
It's
So,
good.
You like lobster?
Yes.
Okay.
so eat.
Cause I know like lobster. I like lobster.
Can I get a fork, please?
Mm-hmm. Mm. You gotta
Give
try
me
this.
fork, sorry.
It's mine.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, right? Mm-hmm.
I got four.
Yeah. Take your time and eat. Just eat your lobster, okay?
Okay, you want to talk?
Yes. Oh, thank you.
I got you.
Okay, guys. Excuse me for 1 second.
So we're still working, guys. We'll have people more coming.
Yes.
Here's
Some?
mine.
Hey guys.
That's my TV.
Okay, it's fine. I'll turn it
Mac
off.
and cheese drop.
You like mac and cheese?
Uh-huh. I'm my favorite one.
That's your favorite one?
Mm-hmm.
Where's my fork?
Right here.
You took it?
Mm-hmm. Try the lobsters, Brie.
Get one of the soda with some ice.
Alright.
Hey, I want some soda ice.
I want soda on my mama eyes.
Okay.
I would say big up with friends and big up with family.
Thank you.
Big up Father God first in everything.
Oh.
We just prayed.
You understand? Always put God first. Mankind after. You understand?
You want more inside the cup, right?
And thank God for the blessing.
I want more too.
Alright, relax. I'm full already.
You full?
Yeah.
Thank God for the blessing.
Are you full already?
Thank God to provide this food. You understand?
I just drink.
No, eat much.
So, this it.
Just my drink.
Yeah, and daddy
My
drink.
drink.
It's
Yeah,
right here.
daddy drink and Tyler drink. I take I here on.
You didn't even eat your food. You busy drinking already.
Who?
I want you white.
Hmm?
I want you white.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I eat mac and cheese.
You like the mac and cheese?
Yeah.
You like the lobster too?
Crabs.
My favorite one is the actor
Mm-hmm.
and the cornbread.
Let's try the wings.
Good.
I don't want no.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't want them.
Oh,
It's good.
daddy.
Mm.
This looks better.
Mm.
I'm going to big up all of my real friend them. You
I want
understand?
chicken.
And guys, if you go on my daddy video,
Yes. Yes,
you
I
see the other
just
one,
drink.
Mommy,
Cause them say real recognize
Daddy?
real, don't.
Blaze, and Chevy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Where's my drink?
It's right here.
So this is just the beginning of the journey. You understand?
I got all drinks.
Mm-hmm.
He is dirty Tommies.
Yeah, because he eating, but Bree.
Okay.
Bree, stop. The chicken is really good. I like it.
Baby, what there?
I love it.
And
Baby, what
don't
there, daddy?
I love this chicken. Mm-hmm.
I eat a mac and cheese.
What's this called? Sweet what?
say hi to
Sweet
them.
chili.
I like chicken with some rice and peas.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet chili
What?
wing.
Yeah, that's nice. You want more lobster? Hmm? The lobster.
Oh,
Nice, split open for you
okay.
guys.
I'm messy.
T-shirt. I'm gonna home. I think
What the
Wait,
freaking heck?
Sweet chili wings.
she
Oh, say excuse me.
Excuse me.
Okay, baby.
He really like fire.
Excuse me, baby.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the napkin?
Right here.
That napkin.
Try the lobster, baby. You know, eat the lobster.
These good.
You want more lobster? One more?
How can you live?
Tabby's your birthday coming up.
Hey.
Mm-hmm.
My birthday come out?
April the 20th.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna be 3.
Sit down, baby. Where you going?
Sit down, baby.
Oh, napkin.
Okay.
Wait, my birthday coming up?
Mm-hmm. Tabby, talk to the people.
Hi,
So guys,
Mom.
my birthday coming up
My birthday come out.
the April 22nd.
I want everyone to have a ticket.
Mm-hmm.
Stop copying me.
No, my birthday.
So guys, Brianna got hurt. And she farted.
Cut it
What you
out.
must say?
Excuse me.
Brianna, really? Mm-mm.
The inside looks weird.
You think it's funny?
We're gonna edit that one. All right, you done?
So we're gonna delete that thing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like the lobster.
Okay, just sit on mommy plate.
I'm go.
Mommy eat it. Okay? You gotta try the chicken.
I know this crap.
You want chicken?
I
No.
got a sinner drink.
I'll get myself.
Okay, mommy, you want more juice?
Mommy, get some more juice.
Mm-hmm.
My daddy's drinking all.
Daddy, drink it all.
Oh, that's why you call it chili?
But it's not spicy, but it tastes good.
Eat it. I need
Try it. Let me see if you like
I
it. Try
need
it.
chicken.
Okay.
You need chicken?
Yes.
Okay, I got you chicken.
I do.
I'm gonna order a piece of chicken, okay?
Yes, you got bucket.
It feels weird.
Thank you.
Let me help you.
Okay. Yeah.
How you like it?
Good.
Okay. It still feel weird
My son.
because it's sticky.
Oh,
It's called
sticky.
sweet chili sticky wings.
Oh.
But it tastes good, right?
My hand's sticky. I feel like slime.
Mm.
My hand's sticky. My hand's sticky, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like to eat big things.
It's fine. Want me to break it for you?
What, the chicken?
Yeah. What you was gonna put? What you about to do with this?
Put it
You
back.
can't put that back. You was just eating it.
Ow.
Let me break it.
Look like a little bite.
Right there. Eat that part. Okay? Okay? Eat it. Okay, Tyrese, talk to the people. You know you like
Hello,
talking.
guys.
And Bree like
There's
talking.
a guy.
What did you say, Bree?
There's a guy.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Tell them that.
Fuck the guy.
How old are you, Bree?
2.
Okay.
And when your birthday come out, how you gonna be?
Happy birthday.
You're going to be 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 2 equals 3. Wait,
Mm-mm.
do it do?
1 plus 2
Oh,
equals 3. Okay?
I said 2. Wait, what I said?
I don't
Oh,
know.
2 plus 3?
No. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
not that good at math.
I bet you
Soon you will be.
And why is it the lobster have?
That's not the lava. That's the bell pepper.
Yes, Papa.
Wait, what's bell? Why they call it bell pepper?
Because it's green as a bell pepper.
Because it looks like a bell.
Mm-hmm. You want more mac and cheese?
Definitely, sure.
Okay.
I want my mac and cheese.
So I'm gonna crush it up.
So guys, you can see my dad have like a giant lobster.
Mm-hmm.
And mommy, do you want a lobster?
Yes.
Mommy just ate. Look, I got another lobster right here.
Oh,
Mommy's kind of full.
The mommy for
you guys some more like drink.
You want no drink?
You're full?
no.
Okay.
Eat your cornbread.
You for Daddy?
A little.
A little.
Mm-hmm.
Our daddy ain't talk. Tell daddy to talk. Talk to the people's daddy.
Daddy talk.
What you want me to say to the people?
Hi.
We say hi.
Hi.
Use the soap to tell them what you
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why else must you say?
Hi.
That's it?
Then yes.
Just
What's up? Ryan Better Taste
What's
TV
up?
and family. What's up, family? So with us here eating some food, some lobster, some chili wing, mac and cheese, and
some
cornbread.
and some lobster.
You understand? So with us they enjoy the food. I hope you enjoy the video too also.
Okay.
And we have a content with build some different video so you can get to see what's going on. And bless up everybody. Thank everybody for tuning in
Or they eat it.
and watch.
I like that.
And keep
Daddy,
tuning in,
Daddy,
subscribe,
I want yours.
share, hit the
Daddy.
notification
Wait.
bell,
Daddy, I want yours.
What, babe?
and
Break.
tell a friend. Spread the word.
Take any.
I we say clean out.
You want
So-
something else?
That's what we all about.
Brianna?
Getting it on the road and getting it going day by day.
You want more
You
cornbread?
understand?
And guys,
Most
Wait.
first,
Excuse me.
we thank God.
Thank you.
You understand?
mommy, you really
We
right
thank my
there.
mother for bringing me here. Cause if I was my mother, I wouldn't be here.
And you was looking.
And bless up all of my sister them and my brother,
Yes.
all of my niece and
Mommy,
nephew them,
funny.
auntie and everybody. Bless them up.
That's what's up.
thank God to make them live to see
Wait,
New
Bree, what you
Year.
say? Yes, bless up.
What? Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
Bless up.
Bless up, Bree.
You
So
understand?
one of
So
our
that's
friends right there.
that's what it's
That's
all
one of
about.
Daddy friends.
Okay.
We just
Uh-huh.
good energy. It's all about just good energy.
What's up?
You know, me have to just get used to the camera car. I'm not really a camera guy, but
Mommy,
we're gonna get it
a
together.
little bit. I said,
You understand? And this is my local daughter, Brianna,
Bree,
Tyrese.
Hi.
That's my wife, Keisha.
this is favorite.
You understand? And bless up my son where they are Jamaica,
What's
Javon.
up, baby?
And bless up
What's
his
up,
mother and his
baby?
family and everybody.
What's up, baby?
You understand?
Bless up, Bree, Bree.
that's yourself.
It's all about that, you know, love
What's
and
up,
unity.
baby?
You understand?
Yes. Bree,
I wish we
Eat,
had
baby.
twins, Mom.
twins what?
Like, twin Bree, twin another.
You wish we had twins.
Yeah.
We're not having no twins.
Sit up, Bree.
You
Sit
want
up.
us to have more kids?
No,
No.
You better?
Right.
that's too much.
Right.
Too much.
That's too much, right?
Mom,
We
Daddy,
just need, like,
You full?
not that,
No.
more kids.
Right.
So we have,
okay.
like 10 more. That's
So Keisha says something to the people then.
Do you want my corn?
I'm talking. Hi, guys.
No, Bree, you're not eating it. You gotta
No more
waste it.
kids,
Just
Tyrese.
eat the one.
No more kids for mommy.
No,
No.
too much kids.
Right.
We got our own family.
To the kids. To the girls.
Bree is the last girl, right, Bree?
Taste to the boy.
Right. He the last boy.
So
Right. So no more kids, right?
yeah,
No more kids.
Right. We fine, right?
yes, we found without no more
This
kids.
good kids.
3 kids.
Ow.
No.
This kids.
Okay, we fine.
4 kids.
No, no
Bree,
more.
just stay one place,
Sit
baby.
down, baby.
I'm trying to enjoy this, guys.
You enjoying it? Okay.
This is the best idea.
Okay, tell the people
Good,
about
Daddy.
yourself.
So, guys, my tooth is looking like, see right here.
My tooth is hurting.
You copy everything.
My tooth is hurting.
It's hurting.
you
Everything
can't
your brother
really
say, you copy.
You can't really see it, but it's right here. See this one, but you
No.
can't see it.
Okay.
Oh, we eating a lot today. Daddy, you finished eating?
Yeah. I just need some soda. I
Oh,
need a
you
soda.
got some of mine. That's empty.
No, the cup.
No,
give me
it's
the cup.
fine.
Oh.
I'm full too.
Give me the cup.
I ate all my food.
Oh.
You full too?
Yeah.
I'm not full.
Okay, so who cooked all the food?
So, mommy.
No. Who cooked all this food?
Oh, daddy.
Daddy cook all the food every day, right?
Yes. Sometimes you cook other food. Sometimes daddy cook the food.
Do you love daddy cooking?
Yes, I love mommy cooking
Daddy,
and daddy
I do.
cooking.
Who cooks the best?
You love me?
Mommy and daddy.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
So you don't have no special one who cooked the best?
Daddy, what?
Both of y'all.
Mhm.
Oh,
You
okay.
got to eat it.
Okay. So daddy, tell us why you love cooking.
Well,
Because he's a seafood boss.
no.
I want soda.
I just born, it's just a give.
I want a soda.
And from growing up, I just like
He just want to
cooking.
make some more money.
Soda.
You need to be quiet.
Soda.
I'm gonna edit
Give
that
me a
part.
cup, let me give her some soda.
Here's your. Okay. You was different, Therese.
Different?
So that's it, guys. We just there here chilling, you know?
Yeah.
Doing another bomb video for all the supporter, all the
So,
fans,
guys, we're just going
all
to
my
talk.
followers. Bless up everybody. Put God first in everything and do the right thing. Because we're right here doing the right thing. So, always do the right
Sit up,
thing.
Brie. Sit
Don't do no negative. Just always do the right thing and you always go a long way. You
Right.
understand? And take it one day at a time.
All right, let
Step
them know
by
what,
step.
Therese. Go ahead. This your what?
It's my first time on camera, guys.
I'm
Are
first
you
time
shy?
get up, guys.
No.
You not shy?
No.
Okay.
No.
So tell us what you want to do for your birthday.
Like have. Oh, I got an idea for my birthday. We can have a water park. I mean, like a whole big slide, and the one we're gonna we're gonna go somewhere. No, that's not a good idea.
Mama,
We can go to the water
You said,
park.
excuse me?
Excuse me.
We go to the water
Are you
park.
full?
No.
You're not full?
We can go to the water park for my birthday,
Okay.
and we can go back home and eat some cake and get
Don't
some
drive it with
gift bags. And to stop, we're gonna have toys in the gift bags.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm full. I ate
You
already.
finished?
I ate a lot. I think I did. But I'm kind of like full.
So guys, we go to the beach.
The
Each
next channel,
yeah,
we're going to do a little tour on how he cooked the things.
I think I'll do
Yes.
it next
and we're
time.
gonna make each video Breeze, Mommy's, and me's.
He's talking to me.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little
Tour
tour.
on how he cooked
Yeah.
each ingredient.
Because I really want people to see how me
Guys,
me prepare certain things. You know? Showing them the basic of certain things.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
So
I'm hurting.
now look out for that video coming soon.
Okay, Mom.
All right.
So
Wipe your mouth.
Oh,
we just here trying
hold it.
get it
Leave her. Leave
more
her.
organized and more get it to better than the first and the second. So we keep each time we do it, we try to do it in a better way
It's going to get better and better.
and better.
Believe me.
Yeah,
We're working on it.
yeah.
We getting new to the camera, so we're
Yeah.
working on it, guys.
Hey guys, since my mom don't have no subscribers, I subscribe to the video.
Oh my God, he tell everything, and Tyrese is not going to be on camera much.
I want to do.
You finished?
Alright.
You
All
finished,
right.
sweetie?
Can we do a video of me doing my birthday?
Okay.
All
yeah,
right.
You could. Oh, you finished. You did good.
That's
you ate
good,
a lot
Bree.
of cornbread. Bree, you did good.
Say hi to the ties to the fans.
Hi.
Hi
Hi.
fans.
So we love you.
I love you.
Mhm.
Okay.
Hey guys,
Keep
we're
on.
doing.
What you gonna say to them, Bree? Tell them what to do.
Subscribe. The next one.
Subscribe and get and like that like button
Hit that like button.
I
Hit
want,
that.
I want more.
and punch that
You want more what?
and punch that bell.
You want more food? Oh.
And tell a friend and tell a friend.
Oh,
And you
sorry.
got 5 minutes.
Ryan Better Taste TV and family.
You want more mac and cheese?
Because Unu is our family. So our family is very big. So Unu out there,
You guys out there.
you guys out there is our family. You understand?
That's it, Bree?
Unu gonna be always our family. So tell a friend, tell a friend. It's all about good energy, no bad energy.
That's it.
You understand?
That's it.
So it's all about that.
Tata.
And we say blessed up.
Bust up.
Bless up, Bree.
Yes,
Look,
bust
Mom,
up.
I can crack,
Bless up.
I can
It's
crack,
23 minutes already.
Bust up.
I can crack my fingers.
Okay.
You understand?
I crack it.
Okay. Relax. Okay.
I'm gonna go papa.
So tell the guys, we leaving. We finished eating.
And guys,
Hit that bell.
and like us,
Subscribe.
it's not subscribe. It's
And
subscribe.
share.
It punch.
And tell a friend.
5 minutes. Press
So
it with your
it's
pinky.
all about that. You understand?
Press the like button with your pinky.
So bless up. And thank you for watching this video.
You talking while you eating.
And thank you to share it.
Stop.
You understand? So it's all about that.
No, don't do that.
And thank you for this day. For I sit right here and talking to you.
And look out for the next video coming
Yeah.
soon.
Coming soon.
Look
We're
out.
trying to make a
out.
lot of videos as other people.
So
Say bye.
Bye,
bye everybody. See you in the next video.